Hey guys, Mr. J here. I wanted to run you through once again how to create your graphs and data for the Crystal Violet lab. So in class you collected your data every 20 seconds. You got your absorbance, and so you have your data here for about 400 seconds or something like that, 900 seconds, excuse me. First thing I would do is I would take your time. We need to make 3 graphs, so the easiest way I think to do this is copy it, go over a couple, boom, we're going to put some data here, skip a space. Let's always put your data up at the top, sorry. There we go, that data there, skip a space, and here's the second data. Alright, so now we have our data. What we want to do here is we want to graph our 2 other graphs. So the easiest way is to make 3 columns. Now, first thing we're going to graph is the natural log, our absorbance. So I'll put that up there. And all I need to do is I need to enter the equation. So I enter the equation by hitting equal. I'm going to hit ln for natural log, put in parentheses, and then I'm going to click on my first absorbance level, close my parentheses, and boom, there I have it. Now to copy that, all I do is grab the corner bar and come down, drag it all the way down to end there, and it will do the same. If you look up here, I can see it's natural log of B45, which is that. Pretty simple there. Okay, we're going to do the same thing up here, but we're going to do, for this one, it's going to be 1 over the absorbance. Put that in here. So equals, signs again, tells that we're going to do an equation. 1 divided by our area there, enter. And once again, I'll go up, highlight on there, and then drag it down. And there's my data. The reason I make 3 different columns with this, it makes it a lot easier now that I want to go graph this. So what I'm going to do is, first thing I want to do is absorb time versus absorbance. Remember, absorbance is basically we're letting it equal our concentration. There's a calculation we could do to actually figure the concentrations of absorbance, but we didn't do a Beer's law graph, so we can't do that. So I'm going to highlight the information that I want to graph. I'm going to go up here under insert, and I'm just going to click chart. And hopefully somewhere, there it goes. Alright, first thing I want to do is I need to label this. So I'm going to go over here to customize. I'm going to chart axis and titles. I'm going to put chart titles. I'm going to put, what are we doing? AB absorbance versus time for what decolorization of Crystal Violet. I'm going to just leave it there for right now. I don't want to type it all out. Okay, now I will need to change my horizontal axis, right? We had time there. And then vertical axis, I'm going to put that. Okay, I forgot to put my units in, but you go ahead and do that with yours. So now I got the graph. Now, remember, our graph that's going to be correct is the one that has the straightest line. So what I can do is double click on this, and now I want to, let's see, series, I think. Here, hit series, go all the way down, hit trend line. And there I have the kind of best line fit. Probably not going to be that one. And then I can do the same for the other ones. I go ahead, click on my data. Once again, insert chart. Once I have here, I go to customize, axis and titles, and then choose what I want to observe, and what I want to change. And then once again, if I want to go to my make my line of best fit, I'm going to come up under what do we say, series, come down and hit trend line, and that will give me it. So that's how you do it. Pretty easy. I can go ahead, grab this in a corner, I can make it smaller and move it around. That way you're probably going to want to copy these, copy them, and then paste it into your Word document or your Google document. If you have any questions about this, guys, please come see me and I will walk you through it once again, or else go back and watch the video. Thanks. Hope it helps.